Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Adila Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 9 of recently launched Exp22 course, focusing on Exp22 Exp chapter 9 ML1 expenses. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shown on this screen. Let's start our assignment to solve step by step. Exp22. Okay, start exit, download and open the file name. Step number 1. Basically, in this step, we will have to download Excel workbook from IT dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from IT dashboard. You can see here Excel workbook. I have already downloaded from IT dashboard. You can download this Pearson IT dashboard. Okay. Now moving on to question number 2. Question number 2 is that group the April, May and June worksheets, tab savings, income and expenses in cell A1. Select the ranges A1 to C1 and apply the heading 1 cell style. First we will have to group the sheets April, May and June. Okay. Then tab saving, income and expense in cell A1. Okay. Click on cell A1 and tab saving, income and expenses. Click on cell A1 and tab saving, income and expenses. Okay. Copy this and paste. Select the range A1 to C1 and apply the heading 1 cell style. Okay, we will have to select this range and then we will apply heading 1 cell style. Okay. Select this range and apply heading 1 cell style. Go to cell style. Go to home tab. Then go to cell style and heading 1 cell style. Heading 1. Okay. I have done 2 questions of this assignment. Now moving on to question number 3. Question number 3 is that in cell C6, add the beginning saving balance to monthly saving added. Basically, in this step, we will have to click on cell A6, then add the beginning saving balance to the monthly saving added. Okay. Inside C6, moving on Excel workbook, click on C6, then is equal to, okay, balance saving beginning, monthly and ending. Okay, then present, okay, it will be fine value. I have done this question. Now moving on to question number 4. Question number 4 is that unlock cell J9, C9 and ranges B12 to B20 in the group worksheets, then ungroup the worksheet. Basically, we will have to unlock cell C9 in the range B12 to B20. First we select this range and then unlock cell C9 in the group worksheet. Go to group worksheet. Okay. Click on cell C9 and then unlock this parameter. Unlock this. Okay. And then ungroup the worksheet. Okay. Select this range. Then select this range and unlock this range. Okay. Then ungroup the worksheet. Ungroup the worksheets. Okay, click on this sheets. Okay, right click on this and ungroup the worksheet. Okay, I have done this question. You can see here I have done this question. Now moving on question number 4. Now moving on question number 5. Sorry, I have done 4 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that display the May worksheet in cell C4. Create a formula with 3D reference to cell C6 and saving balance in the April worksheet. Then display the June worksheet in cell C4. Create a formula with 3D reference in cell 6 and saving balance. First, we display the May worksheet. Then in cell C4, create a formula with 3D references to the cell C6 and saving balance in the April worksheet. Basically, we have to click on cell C6, C4, then go to April worksheet, then C6 ending saving balance. Okay, then press enter. Okay, sorry, then display the June worksheet. Okay, in cell C4, create a formula with 3D reference to cell C6. April worksheet, June worksheet, and then C4, then May, then click on cell C6. Okay, then it will be the find value. Then display the QTR2 worksheet. Then display the QTR2 worksheet in cell C4. Create a formula with 3 dots to cell C6, ending saving balance in the June worksheet. Okay, QTR2 worksheet. Click on cell C4. Then create a formula with 3 references to cell C6. Click on cell C4. Click on cell C4. Okay, then June worksheet is then C6 and June worksheet. Ending saving balance. Okay, then it will be shows value. I have done this question. I have done five. I have done 5 questions on this assignment. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that with QTR2 worksheet active, select cell C9 and insert the sum function with 3D reference. The total salary amount for the 3 months. Copy the function cell C9 to cell. Okay, with QTR2 worksheet active, select C9 and insert the sum function. Okay, then we will have to insert a sum function in cell C9. Insert a sum function in cell C9. Click on cell C9, then enter a result, then enter a sum function with 3 references salary amount for all 3 months. Okay, is equal to sum. Okay, salary amount for all 3. Then go to May worksheet, then salary, then go to June worksheet and enter on C9. So then press enter. Okay, it will be find value. I have done this question. Now moving on next question. I have done 6 questions of this assignment. Copy the function to C9 to C21 and C23. Okay, copy this function C9 to C23, C21. Sorry, C23 copy. Okay, it's done. C21 and C23 copy function and enter then C21 and C23. Okay, I have done this question. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that select cell B12 and insert the sum function with a 3D reference to the total rent amount. Select cell B12 and insert sum function. Okay, select cell B12 and then enter a sum function with 3D reference to the total rent amount of 3 months. B12 to range B13, B20. Okay. Go to the book is equal to go to April worksheet, then click on cell B12, then plus go to May worksheet and then see B12 plus, then go to June worksheet, then plus B12 and then press enter. Okay, it will be shown value. I have done this question. Now moving on next question. Okay, then copy the function B12, Copy this function and go to B12 to okay B21. Okay, you have done this question. Now moving on to question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment. Now moving on to question number 8. Question number 8 is that display the April worksheet, group the April, May, June and QTR2 worksheet, select the range A8 to C23, fill the format only across the grouped worksheet to copy the front formatting indents. Okay, first we select group the sheet April, May, June and QTR2 worksheet. Okay, then go to fill, then select this ranges. First we will select this range, then go to the fail format, fail group. First we will select this range. Okay. Then fill formatting, go to the fill formatting or only across group or sheet, copy the formatting indent and number formatting and group the sheet. Okay. Go to fill. Across worksheet, formatting. Okay, it's done. Ungroup the worksheet. Right click and ungroup worksheet. Okay, this question is done now. I have done 8 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 9. You can see here 8 questions completed of this assignment. Question number 9 is that select cell C3 containing April, insert a hyperlink to cell C23 in the April worksheet and include the screen tips with the text April balance. Okay. Click on cell QTR2 worksheet, then click on cell April cell E2, E3 and link. Click right click on this and add link. Place this documents. Okay. Insert hyperlink into cell C23. Cell C23 and April, click on April worksheet. Okay, April. Then screen tip says April balance. April balance. Then okay. Okay. Again okay. Then click on May cell E4. Click on May cell E4. Then insert a hyperlink to C23 to May worksheet, include screen tip with okay May. Then right click on this link, place in this pages, then C23, tab the cell reference C23, then May, then screen tips is that May balance. Screen tip is that May balance. Okay. Okay, then click again okay. I have done. Now select cell E5 containing June, insert a hyperlink cell C23 to June worksheet, including screen tip with June balance. Click on June cell, right click on this and go to link, right click on this, then go to links. Okay, then tab of cell reference C23, then click on June, then click screen tips, June balance. Screen tip is that June balance. Screen tip is that June balance. Okay. Okay, then again okay. It's done. You can see here. Select each cell to test the hyperlinks and correctly any error. Okay, double click on this. It will be sure. Which will be go to April worksheet. Then double click on this. It will go to May worksheet. Then double click on June, then it will be go to June worksheet. Okay, then I have done 9 questions of this assignment. I have done 9 questions of this assignment. You can see here I have done 9 questions of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to do for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my PC screen. My WhatsApp link is given in description and email also given in description. I can do all courses: accounting, math, finance, literature, nursing, and many more. Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will provide you A plus grade in your complete course. Thanks.